Your kidneys will not forgive repeated damage, and most people realize it far too late.
High creatinine and low GFR are not just numbers. They are warning signs.
These numbers tell a story about how well your kidneys are surviving. When creatinine rises, your kidneys struggle to clean your blood.
If ignored, this damage can progress silently.
Today, we reveal 9 powerful foods that support kidney healing.
They are deficient of odonfa. They are rich in vitamins, but low in potassium.
Easy to add to daily meals.
Food number 5, garlic.
Food number 6, onions. Food number 7, apples. Fiber helps remove waste efficiently.
Food number 8, olive oil. Food number 9, egg whites. CGI muscle maintenance without kidney strain. Protein matters, but quality matters more.
These 9 foods work together to protect your kidneys.
Help them work better.
Your journey to better kidney health starts now.